I started being interested in math originally in connection to the Math Olympiads. IMPA is the Instituto de Matemática Pura e Aplicada, Institute for Pure and Applied Math here. It's mostly a research institute. It's very receptive for young people. So I started here already straight from the Olympiads, so still in high school. At IMPA, dynamical systems is a very big part of here. And one researcher here started talking to me. I started liking the problems, and I started doing dynamical systems after. One example of dynamical system includes this kind of billiards that are very simplified mathematical models. You have a ball that moves and reflects elastically with the boundaries. They can consider something like a regular pentagon instead of rectangular billiards. And you ask, what are the properties of this dynamical system? So what happens to the long-term behavior of the particle? So you could ask, what's the difference between the different polygons? From the point of view of dynamical systems, you are looking at the whole global parameter space. And one day, I realized that some of the things that I had computed at the technical level for this kind of more usual analysis that was available, what I tend to call one-frequency Schrödinger operators, was possibly unlocking the possibilities to having a view of the whole parameter space. I knew that there were things that needed to be done on the technical side, but now it was within the realm of the possible. Right now, I spend part of my time in Paris, part of my time here in Rio. I like to work in a nice setting, walking along the beach. You just hear the waves and you can forget about all the noise and so on. I was surprised when I heard that I got the prize. The president of the IMU sent me an email asking for a phone number that she needed to contact me. At this moment I understood that it was likely about the prize. I felt very happy, most of all more relaxed at that moment. Of course, it's good for both Brazil and France. Brazil never had its medal or Nobel Prize. I think it will be very motivational for many people here.